everyone, welcome back, and today we are going to talk about top 5 strongest weapons in Skibidi Toilet, where I'm going to rank the top 5 weapons everywhere used in Skibidi Toilet series, only in the Fookmers only, which includes Titan's weapons, normal Skibidi Toilet agents weapons, or just the useless weapons. So let's start our list, and at the top 5 we've got the latest Astro lasers, which is just a really highly upgraded form of the normal lasers they have made already. This laser is so much powerful than before, because as we can see, before it did no damage at all, but now they can really destroy anyone in their way, which are really powerful and really strong in my opinion. And if they are in the right hands, they can be super deadly. Unfortunately, they are. They have been also given to G-Man, which is just too powerful, because just imagine the strongest lasers in the strongest Skibidi Toilet's hand. So these lasers deserve their spot, and their firepower is just crazy. But it's funny to see that some toilets still have the old lasers, which is not really that much effective. And we can also see them in the G-Man, the DJ toilet. The DJ toilet still uses the old lasers, and as well as the Michael Jackson toilet, which maybe uses the new and highly upgraded katanas, but still, he still uses range weaponry as the old laser. He's got nothing much to offer in range weaponry. He's a melee fighter basically, but DJ toilet is not a melee fighter. He's a ranged fighter, and he needs the new lasers, but somehow and somewhat he's not just got them upgrades. And of course, they've also been given to the all three mutants trio, including the Rizza toilet, the buff toilet, but of course the sweat toilet didn't got it, which is just sad, but still it's okay. So next up, we've got the number 4 spot, which is taken by the DJs. Of course, this is most common and the most used ones, which is actually a whole race, but they are also used by Skibidi Toilets and many more races. But whatever you say, the strongest DJs we have ever seen was the Titan Scientist. Even the Titan TV Man's speakers couldn't do that much, but it's just too strong in Titan Scientist Man's case. These DJs were powerful enough to knock out Titans, including Titan Cameraman and Titan Speaker Man. And these were able to stop the Glitch Toilet, which is just too fast for anyone. But these speakers are so strong and so powerful that they can even stop him, which are really durable and adds up extra armor as well. And of course, you can say that Titan Speaker Man got better speakers, because we of course saw in episode 73 that Titan Speaker Man can't do much with his speakers, because that doesn't really affect G-Man. But when Titan Scientist used it, it just knocked out Titan Cameraman. This should also be the case in Titan Speaker Man, because he is the main reason why. And if he didn't exist, the Speaker Man would be, pretty much dead, I says. And that's the exact reason why Titan Scientist Man has the best speakers. These speakers does very good job at their job, because they blast off enemies, they push off enemies, and even Titans. Every speaker man has these abilities, and of course Skibidi Toilets has stolen them from them. Another debatable point is DJ Toilet, because his whole abilities are on DJ. And by the way, that was the first DJ we ever saw in Skibidi Toilet, which appeared in episode 6. I don't know how he got that technology, but he was the first to invent it. Which could really lead to a theory that the DJ Toilet invented Stega Speakerman. But anyways, let's move on to number 3. At number 3 is the Titan TV Man's blade, which is actually too powerful to be said. This blade is really powerful and can even create shockwaves by just swinging it. This blade has extra powerful abilities and just overpowered, which can cut through many things, and including the speakers, which was in Titan Scientist. These are so strong that they could destroy Titan Scientist in just seconds. And I just love these speakers, the blade. Enough to push up toilets, enough to push up projectiles, which is just too powerful. And the best thing about it is its owner, which is our Titan TV Man. And that's it about the third one. Let's move on to number 2, which is going to be the Astro Detainer's arm. Of course, that is in this list. That is by far one of the most powerful weapons ever seen in the Skibidi Toilet history. It possesses many overpowered abilities, which are deflecting projectiles or even absorbing them to create another projectile by himself. These arms are just badass and just so cool that they are in this list. They even allow Titan Cameraman to speak on himself. And these arms were the only reason Titan Cameraman could survive so far. And abilities are just endless in this claw. And that's it for the second, and let's move on to the strongest weapon in this skill. And at number 1 at this list is the G-Man toilet's weapons, which are newly added to the series, which are his arms. These are extremely strong and extremely useful in many situations, which can lead to many things and are really powerful. And I mean it. I just mean
These
it.
arms has retractable lasers, retractable blades, and many more things. They are powerful enough to break the Juggernaut's shield, which is just a good feat. Because if you don't know, Juggernaut is a really strong toilet who cannot be defeated easily, and his shield is just too powerful. It's even more powerful than the G-Man's shield, which is really advantageous to G-Man. But after he upgraded, of course, he got stronger and his shield is also much stronger now. So that's exactly why G-Man was able to break his shield. And if you notice, the retractable claws are exactly as same as Titanium's swords, which means he has them as well, and it's double powered because he has them both in his arms, which is too powerful in my opinion. And the lasers in these arms are actually more powerful than the normal lasers they use, because they are the most upgraded lasers and the most upgraded item in the series yet. These lasers are powerful enough to hinge the Juggernaut toilet, which even Titan TV Man couldn't do with his core lasers. And that's really good feat, because of course Titan TV Man is no joke against Juggernaut, and Juggernaut just violated Titan TV Man. And of course G-Man didn't really defeat him, but he's just on the par with him, which is going to be really difficult to beat him. So that's it for today. I hope to meet you in the next one. Bye bye.